Lobster, a well-known company in America which served seafood in their restaurant. But nowadays, Red Lobster is totally dead. We can discuss these things in later, and now we can talk about the starting journey of Red Lobster. Bill Garden was the founder of this company. On 18 January 1968, they opened their first restaurant in Lakeland, Florida. The main reason behind this company to focus on high-quality seafood at affordable prices. In 1970, General Mills acquired Red Lobsters and then they started expanding their chain to the new location. In 1980, Red Lobster entered in Canada market and they acquired most of the location of Ponderosa restaurant. And at that time, they acquired almost 25 and 30 location in Canada. 1991, Red Lobster started introducing their famous garlic cheese biscuit named as Cheddar Bay Biscuits, developed by culinary leader Kurt Hankins. On 29 March 1994, Bill passed away at the age of 75. 1995, many restaurants along Red Lobster, Olive Garden and many more were sold and become part of Darden restaurant. General Mills decided to release Darden into an independent. 2014, for some reasons, Darden converted their Red Lobster and Olive Garden location into standalone Olive Garden location. Darden announced it would be selling the Red Lobster seafood restaurant chain to Golden Gate Capital for $2.1 billion. On August 2014, Red Lobster announced their new headquarters location in CNL in Orlando, and later in 2015, they also opened Restaurant Support Center. A Thai seafood supplier also acquired 25% in the company for $575 million. 2024, Jonathan Tibus became a CEO of the company, and before this company, Tibus was also the CEO of the Kona Grill during their bankruptcy. Red Lobster closed over 100 restaurants in 28 states. It is mostly of Orlando area location. 14 May 2024, Red Lobster announced that it was preparing to file for Chapter 11. And here are some reasons why Red Lobster moved towards bankruptcy. Overexpansion. Red Lobster expanded their business during its peak years, leading to the market saturations in many years, and the result was that many restaurants become less profitable. Increased competition. Other seafood companies also entered in the market, and the competition from the other restaurants was also increased. Rising cost. The cost of seafood has been increasing due to overfishing, environmental regulations, and it will squeezing profit margins. New complexity. Red Lobster menu has been criticized for being over complex with too many items that were expensive to source and difficult to prepare efficiently, and it will hard to deliver consistent quality. 19. It also affected their sales because restaurants were closed at that time, and this was also the reason towards bankruptcy. More videos, like, comment and share.